If you are wondering if you can expect overheating issues on Motorola Edge 70, then the answer seems to be no. I've been using this phone for a couple of days now. I've been doing many different tasks. I've been performing some heavy tasks on the phone, including gaming and, for example, using the camera for quite a bit of time, and so on and so forth. And honestly, the phone doesn't feel that hot. Of course, there are moments where the phone felt warmer. This is quite natural, especially if you perform demanding tasks on the phone. But I have to say that the temperature is definitely manageable. It is not uncomfortably high, and you might be able to maybe increase the temperature to, let's say, 40 degrees Celsius, but it still handles, and the phone handles it pretty well. It still feels comfortable to use the phone. The performance doesn't drop, and the phone pretty much is pretty great in that regard. Of course, in rare situations, you might actually manage to reach maybe even higher temperatures, but it is definitely hard to do so. So I don't think you should worry about overheating in this example, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.